Is your YouTube feed cluttered with channels you no longer watch? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit, reorganize, and clean up your YouTube subscriptions list in just a few seconds. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone, look at the bottom right of your screen and tap on subscriptions. Next, tap all at the very top right to review your entire subscription list. Want to find channels faster? Use the filter option at the top to sort your list by most relevant, new activity, or simply A to Z. If you spot a channel you want to remove, just tap on it and hit unsubscribe. But tired of the constant alerts? Tap the notifications bell next to the channel and select none to silence those updates. You can also do this directly from mobile or desktop browser. Just head to youtube.com, click subscriptions, and manage your list the exact same way. That's it, a perfectly organized YouTube feed. If this quick tip helped you out, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. See you in the next one.